Hello everyone, I am Mohit, studying in Senior MEC at Masterminds College, Tirupati branch. As we all know, every year, 1st of July is celebrated as Chartered Accountants Day. So I wish all of you a happy Chartered Accountants Day. So to my point, I feel Chartered Accountants is a secure profession. Companies, no matter what their size, need Chartered Accountants. If you choose to become a Chartered Accountant, your career is likely to be stable with strong demand for your skills. If you want your career to be challenging, rewarding, and exciting, becoming CA offers all of this and more. I have wanted to become a chartered accountant for a long time, even from my school life. It is my utmost wish to become a chartered accountant and to establish my own auditing and business consultancy firm. During my school life, I heard many success stories of the chartered accountants. When I listen about the success stories from my teachers and friends, it motivates me to study chartered accountancy. Chartered accountancy as a profession is attracting a lot of young and witnessing a rapid growth, thanks to the growing corporate sector globally. Chartered accountants usually occupy high and respectable posts in one organization. They are the ones responsible for handling accounts and finance related matters, deal with the money management. Chartered accountancy is also a dynamic, challenging, and rewarding profession. Chartered accountancy course is a professional course in accounting introduced in our country in 1949 with the enactment of the Chartered Accountants Act. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI) was formed the same year. The institute is both an examining and a licensing body. It is the responsibility of the institute to conduct the chartered accountancy course. Chartered accountants are the ones who are special in accounting, auditing, and taxation. They also serve as a magnificent and corporate caretaker. In recent times, accountancy has become popular as a profession. The services of a chartered accountant are required in money matters even in a small business also. Moreover, according to the Companies Act, only CAs in professional practice are allowed to be appointed as auditors of companies in India. Chartered accountants are the ones who are accepted as a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India after having passed the final examination of the chartered accountancy course conducted by the institute. Friends, chartered accountants are like ambassadors of any country's economic system. Your work is like that of an interface between the government and tax-paying companies and individuals. And qualifying as a chartered accountant provides a person with a keen understanding of how organizations work through finance. It also equips them with the tools to make evidence-based decision making, and it combines both management and technical skills. So I can say that CA is a very best career option. So once again, I wish all of you a happy Chartered Accountancy Day. And I thank the management of Masterminds for giving me this wonderful opportunity to convey all this message to you. Thank you.